What we're going to talk about today is three trends that are shaping the Las Vegas real estate market in 2025 and what that's going to mean for the rest of the year as we move through the third and the fourth quarter. The first thing that's trending or that's going on in the market is that migration and relocation is still strong, even though lower than it's been in previous years. We're still attracting residents from California, especially, and Arizona, and then the Pacific Northwest, like Washington, Oregon, and some of those other states up in the Pacific Northwest. Not to mention all of the other states that people are coming to Las Vegas from for the various reasons: low, great climate, a great tax, no state income tax, a lot of other great reasons why Las Vegas is causing people to come here. But the big wild card is this relocation of these people coming from out of the area. And so the highest that was 2014. We had more people coming every month than we've had in the recent past. And slowly that's kind of decreased over the years as we moved up to the current day. And recently, with the increase in interest rates, we lost almost 1,000 plus people a month moving here from these outlying areas. But again, it's a wild card. If you're thinking that home prices might go down as inventory climbs, etc., this demand from out of the area, people with oodles of cash, is definitely putting a check on price decreases, sales price decreases inside the market. The second trend that's shaping the Las Vegas market as we move through 2025 is this evolving inventory. Now, we've been talking about inventory for the last couple of months and how it's been climbing, and it's almost doubled here over the last 12 months. And so buyers certainly have more choices. And that's great, because if you're wanting to get into the market, you really want to get something that you really want. But here's the thing. What it means for you is that the weak links in the market, if you're thinking about buying a home, the weak seller links might be getting a little weaker, because as more competition comes and the necessity to sell comes and that grows, well, maybe somebody's going to have to make a little more concession on the price than previously made. And so there's some opportunities out there as the inventory evolves and grows for buyers. And so that's something to keep watching if you're thinking about getting into the market. The third trend shaping the market is technology continues to shape the way that we buy and sell real estate. Now, online portals have become the primary way that people start their search, whether that's Zillow or Realtor.com or an individual broker site. There's virtual classes and educational content that's offered online through Zoom and a host of other online webinars. There are digital transactions happening now. People are signing without having to put a pen in the hand, but actually just clicking with their mouse. And a lot of the guidance, consultation, and leadership that historically has been central to the real estate transaction is losing some of its place. Now, hey, no matter your goals, whether you're thinking about buying, whether you're thinking about selling, or you're just thinking about doing nothing, being in the know is power. And being in the know and staying in the know with what's going on in real estate, one of your most important assets, is cool. So thanks for watching. Hope this has been helpful. Have a great day.